I asked. Sure. So mother told, yes, you can help me out. Mom started another load in the dryer and placed a large towel on the basement floor in front of the dryer. Why don't you lie down and catch a nap until we are ready for the another load? So he told, I'll be helping you, mom, right? So mom started another load in the dryer. So mom started another load in the dryer and she placed a large towel on the basement. Why she has placed a large towel on the basement means the dryer needs a time, right? So until that you can lie down on that towel and catch a nap until we are ready for the next load. Until we are ready for the next load, you can lie down, she told. Who told that? Mother. The air from the dryer was warm and comfortable. I slept until the dryer buzzed. I was thrilled when mom taught me to clean the lint filter and to place the dry clothes on a folding table. She made me feel useful. I remember how she complimented me on a job. Well done. Although I remember dropping most of the clothes before I got them on the table. So here when he was lying down on the mat, so on the towel, the air from the dryer was warm. So the air, he was lying down on the front of the dryer, right? So from there, from the air dryer, he was getting a warm air. Okay. I slept until the dryer buzzed. Until the dryer sound, that is, it will be showing some sound, right? So until the dryer buzzed, he was lying down. I was thrilled when mom taught me to clean the lint filter. So the mom has taught him the how to clean the lint filter, right? So he was very thrilled. He was enjoying with his work. She made lint filter and to place the dry clothes on the folding table. After finishing with the dryer, so the clothes he was placing on the folding table, she made me useful. So mother made me useful. I remember how she complimented me on a job. Well done. Although I remember dropping most of the clothes before I got them on the table. Complimented means said something to praise someone. He was doing a good job, right? The boy. So she was appreciating, she was giving up compliments to his work. When my elder sister woke up at 6 o'clock, they took the bath and they helped mom carry the folded clothes upstairs. That was a ritual that I hadn't noticed until the morning. So the elder sister, the boy's elder sisters, was woke up at 6 o'clock. They took their bath and they helped mom to carry the folded clothes to the upstairs. What they were doing? They were helping their moms to carry the clothes towards upstairs. So that was a ritual that I hadn't noticed until that morning. Ritual means a thing that is done regularly. So that is the daily task where they were doing regularly. Okay. The next morning I set the alarm for 4 o'clock. I hurried through my bath and rushed to the basement to help mom. She placed a towel on the floor. I stepped until the dryer buzzed. Then cleaned the lint filter and stacked the clothes on the table. I slept between loads while mom sang, folded clothes and washed another load. That was a routine we kept every wash for several years. So here what they were doing, students. So the next morning the boy again he set an alarm and he woke up at 4 o'clock. At what time? 4 o'clock he was awake. And after waking up he hurried to the bath. And after finishing his bath, he rushed towards basement to help his mom. So again you can see the mom placed a towel on the floor. Until the dryer buzzed, you can sleep, she told. So he cleaned the lint filter and clothes and washed. He placed the clothes on the folding table. I slept between the loads. So between the loads, he was sleeping. Who was sleeping? The boy. And the mom was continued was with singing also. And this was the routine time where they kept for wash day for several years. For many years, they were waking up at 4 o'clock. So this was the routine time. That was the regular work where they were doing. I look back on those days with fond memories. My parents taught my siblings and me that work wasn't a hardship. Sometimes when I'm working, I catch myself singing a song I learned in that old basement and smile. It's amazing to me how seemingly significant moments create fond memories that last a lifetime. So here the fond means pleasant. So the boy was looking back for those old days and he was thinking about the pleasant memories my parents taught my siblings and me that work wasn't a hardship. So for him and his siblings, the parents were taught that work wasn't a hardship. Sometimes when I'm working, I catch myself singing a song. So when he was working, he the catch himself for his singing. Even he will be also singing a song. So I learned in that old basement and smile. So he learned that old singing and all. He learned in the old basement. It's an amazing to me how seemingly insignificant moments create fond memories that last a lifetime. So he was thinking that that memories will be there for the last life until the lifetime. The memories won't forget. It will be the same what we have done earlier. So this is all about the chapter of washing clothes with my mom. So next class we'll be discussing with the question and answers. Thank you, students.